Chrome MSI download, how to install Chrome with MDT. Downloading and deploying the Chrome MSI installer for enterprise environments can be streamlined with a few pro tips to ensure a smooth and efficient setup. Here's a guide with advanced tips for downloading and managing Chrome MSI for business or large-scale deployments. Advanced tips for downloading and setting up Chrome MSI. 1. Choose the correct version, 32-bit versus 64-bit. Ensure you download the MSI package that matches the architecture of your target devices. The 64-bit version is recommended for better performance and compatibility on newer systems. Stable versus beta or dev channels. By default, the download page provides the stable version. If you need to test newer features, Google also offers beta and dev channel versions. Stick with stable for production environments. 2. Download directly from Chrome Enterprise. Access the official Chrome Enterprise download page, https://chromeenterprise.google/browser/download/number-chrome-browser, to download the MSI. Avoid third-party sites to ensure you have the latest, secure version. Download both the MSI file and the ADMX/ADM templates for group policy. These templates are essential for configuring Chrome policies across your organization. 3. Use group policy templates. Once downloaded, add the ADMX templates to your group policy central store to configure Chrome settings. This allows you to control features like default homepage, extension management, and auto-update behavior. To add templates, place the .mx files in the C/Windows/policy definitions folder and the corresponding .ml language files in the C/Windows/policy definitions/enus folder, or the appropriate language folder. 4. Deploy with silent installation parameters. Chrome MSI supports silent installations, which are ideal for deployments without user interaction. Use command line parameters such as misexec/ichromeinstaller.msi/qn/no or start. The /qn parameter ensures no user interface is displayed, and /no or start prevents automatic restarts after installation. 5. Optimize for network deployment with software distribution tools. For large-scale deployments, use tools like System Center Configuration Manager, SCCM, or Windows Server Group Policy to automate and monitor installations. In SCCM, you can set schedules to install Chrome during off hours, minimizing disruption for users. 6. Pre-configure user profiles with policy settings. To enforce specific settings across all users, configure policies through the Google Chrome Group Policy templates. This can include blocking specific URLs, setting a default search engine, or managing allowed extensions. By configuring policies beforehand, Chrome will automatically load these settings on first launch, reducing the need for manual configurations later. 7. Verify download integrity and authenticity. For added security, check the integrity of your download using the provided SHA-256 checksum, available from the Chrome Enterprise release notes, to ensure the file hasn't been tampered with. Use a checksum tool to compare the downloaded file's hash with the one provided by Google. 8. Schedule regular updates. Chrome updates are essential for security and performance. Configure group policy to enable auto updates, or schedule regular update checks. You can set Chrome to update during off hours to minimize impact on users. Alternatively, set up a scheduled task to run the MSI installer with the latest version periodically, ensuring all devices remain up to date. 9. Test the deployment in a small group first. Before a full rollout, deploy Chrome MSI to a small group of devices to test for any potential conflicts with existing software or network configurations. Gather feedback from test users and address any issues before proceeding with the broader deployment. By following these tips, you'll be able to efficiently download, configure, and deploy Chrome MSI across multiple devices, ensuring a consistent browsing experience and streamlined maintenance for your organization.